Hey guys, just a quick video today. I'm going to show you how to change a Infiniti or a Nissan key battery. And it's really easy to do. Don't let Infiniti or Nissan charge you, 30, 40 bucks to change the battery when you could go buy the battery in here for only a few dollars on Amazon. As I was saying, all we got to do is take this thing out. It's really easy. So there is this little button right here to take the key out. So you take the key out, right? That's step number one. And then if you look right here, there's this little tab. Really what you want to do is just kind of get something, whether it's a fingernail up under here, and then basically we're just going to peel apart. There is a seam right here. We're just going to basically peel apart the key fob. I'm going to use my trusty Gerber here. It's a little bit easier if you use something like this, but really you don't need it. I'm just using it because, like I said, it's going to be a little bit easier to get under there if you have something. All right, so basically I just peeled it apart with that, just real carefully. There's no wires or anything to come loose. So there's your two halves. Your battery's right here. So you don't have to mess with anything on this side. So all we do, there's like this little spot right here that you can stick a little screwdriver or something to peel up the battery. All right, and that's the battery, guys. It is a CR2032. So if on Amazon, literally, a 4-pack of them is $5. So it's super cheap, guys. All right, so once you've got a new battery, it's pretty much as easy to put it back in as it was to take out. So if you see here, there's this little metal tab. Don't try to just shove it in there like this. You really have to make sure that this metal is contacting the side of the battery. And make sure you put it in like this, not like this. Put it in basically upside down. Like I said, so make sure you're putting it in like that. There we go. So it gets a good contact on there. That's that piece. And then this part, just make sure that the little key fob is lining up with all the little the buttons there. And really, it's just as easy as snapping it back. Just make sure you line everything up. And just go ahead and snap it back together. There we go, guys. That's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.